What's up, guys? So today we're out at the lake and I'm gonna do a tutorial video. It's gonna be about how to launch a boat by yourself. I mean, it's not a very common video, at least for a wake boat. You might see videos like this for fishing boats, but not usually for anything that has an inboard or direct drive or a V-drive. So I'm gonna do one of those today, have a few different views and include all the tips I can while still making it entertaining. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing we're gonna start off is we're gonna start off by setting all your buoys up. You know, you don't scratch up your boat on the outside. You're gonna grab all your buoys and set those up in the appropriate places. For us, it's on that cleat hanging on the tower and that cleat up there, so you can bring it alongside without messing your boat up. And also, next, you want to turn on your battery. And technically you need to turn the blower on, but that doesn't really matter that much. Don't hold me accountable on that if something happens. But then after that, you want to put your drain plug in, which for us, this boat looks like this. It goes way down there. And you throw that in there. Alright. So now I just need to put the buoys on and we'll be ready to go to the ramp. One thing that I forgot is also you want to get your lines ready so you can tie off to the dock quickly once you get onto the ramp, so you don't have to waste any time at the dock. So as you're backing it in, you kind of just, once you start going down the ramp, just let the boat pull you down the ramp rather than pushing it with the truck. I also didn't do anything with the winch. I like to keep it tight, so because you always have that chance of the boat just sliding off the back if you undo it before you go down the ramp. And so you kind of want to watch until you see the boat start to float off the trailer. That's how you know you've gone deep enough into the water. Now you now it's off. Jump in the boat. Since the propeller on this boat, it's on the bottom. It's a rudder system. So the way that works is the propeller spins one direction, and when you're in reverse, you don't have any steering because there's no thrust going past the rudder, if that makes sense. So it always reverses one way. That also affects your docking. So whenever you're coming to a dock, you kind of want to approach at a 45-degree angle and having your direction of prop spin on the side that you're going to. So the boat will just rotate into the dock for you and basically line it up perfectly. It takes a little finesse though. One thing you always need to remember when putting your boat in the trailer or boat in the water is always make sure to put your parking brake on so the truck doesn't roll back into the water whenever there's nobody at the wheel. Because there's a good chance that something bad could happen you're always not careful all the time. And now the easy part, just untie your lines. Then head off to the lake. So it's pretty simple once you get it down. It just takes a lot of practice, and it's kind of just like driving a car. It's like every car is different. Once you learn how it works, it feels like riding a bike almost, except not everybody knows how to ride a bike. It's not a good example. Well, you know what I mean. Well, it's time to head out to the lake, do some surfing and wakeboarding today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.